What are we working with here today?
It's a 1976 Triumph TR6. Last year they made them.
4-cylinder?
No, 6.
Oh, look at this. Probably about 1,800 pounds? 2,000 pounds?
Do I look that heavy?
I'll say me and you put together.
Okay,
me and you
maybe.
put together. Me and you put together.
Okay.
I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you.
I don't know the curb weight. That's not something that's important.
Well, there's Google for that, folks.
Yeah, that's what the internet is for, right?
That's what AI is for. They know all that.
Exactly.
So what have you done to the car since you've had it?
What haven't I done? I bought this car in 1989 and took it completely apart. The fenders were all rusted, so I took the fenders off, cleaned up the rust underneath, and then put 4 new fenders on, stripped the whole engine compartment so it could be repainted to match the exterior, and basically did everything except paint the car.
So fenders and paint.
Fenders and paint.
Do you know what the power output on it?
About 120. Not much.
Okay. I might could beat it in a running race or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I was noticing this right here.
Oh, yeah.
I was noticing
Airbox.
this right here. That's not.
Well, I swapped out the carburetors. The original carburetors are the Strombergs. I took those off, and these are SUs, which came on earlier Triumphs, and they're a little easier to keep tuned. The Strombergs are pretty fussy.
Got some beautiful stuff going on underneath the engine here.
Yeah.
Some definitely some eye candy.
Yeah. Well, got to keep it clean under the hood too to go to a show.
Well, what's the top speed you had it up to? Let's go.
Let's see, uphill or downhill?
Just make up a number and we'll go with it.
80.
180. You hear that?
180, yeah. Definitely downhill.
What other places do you take it to besides the British Grand Strand?
I'm from Western Massachusetts originally.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Now I now live in New York. I bought this car.
I'm sorry.
Okay. 2 out of 2, right? Bought this car in New Jersey. Is that okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay. And I've taken this car up to Stowe, Vermont. There's a big show up there called the British Invasion. It was just 2 weeks ago. They have 600 cars plus, all British. Ooh. It's a big show. And I go to that every year. Not with the car, because this car now is here in South Carolina.
I'm sorry.
Is there any state that you're not sorry about? We go down to Charleston for their show, been up to Wilmington, been out to The Gathering, which is in North Carolina, up in wine country, real pretty area. So I drive it. This car in 1989, you could no longer buy the red line tires like those there. Yeah. You couldn't buy them. They weren't available. So I went a different route. I got Panasport wheels and went with a little wider tire.
It looks awesome with these. We saw you actually come in and we were like, well, that one's different.
Yeah. I like the wheels. I mean, the original steel wheels, which is on this car here, by comparison, the weight, they're very heavy.
Is the owner around? No? Okay.
That's okay. No, they're good looking.
They're nice.
They are. But these are a lot lighter, so you're taking a lot of unsprung weight off the steering, which is nice.
Well, we appreciate your time.
Well,
this is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And thank you, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Appreciate you.